gonna say for this time, tighten your sphincters and hold on to those holy shit handles. We got Alduin from Skyrim, Elder Scrolls number 5. So here we go. Look at this badass evil motherfucker. So 17 plus final figure. There's him. A nice silhouette drawing, animated version of the actual figure that's sitting inside the windowed box here. Really, really awesome. Here's number 58 out of the game series. So here he is, peeking up. It says Alduin right there, number 58, and he's peeking up over a kind of crippled box. Oh, look at that damage. Oh, but he's not gonna be in the box for long. Nice, fantastic picture of him, and the background. Then on the back, the other ones you can collect: Dovahkiin, Daedric Warrior, and my Alduin Dragon, which took. I almost didn't get this guy because when I was at the Calgary Expo, that's where I got him. I seen him the day me and my friend went there, and then the next day they didn't have him. I was almost crapping my pants. I was like, they don't have him, they don't have him. But then, well, they told me they would look for him. Lo and behold, they had one left. So, oh yeah. Couldn't resist buying it because it was the last one they had. So yeah, let's get this evil son of a bitch out. Cut like butter. I'm gonna keep my knife out because I have one more Funko to do. That will conclude for today. Oh, today has been a lovely day. All my videos done. Oh, it's just a bunch of fun. Oh yeah, bunch of lovely fun. Alright, big boy. You big evil bastard, let's get you. Oh, that nice job. Ooh. My goodness. Where's some... Jesus. Oh, man. Oh. Orgasm again. I'm having an orgasm. Yeah, boy. Oh, and he's not gonna bother to go down again. Oh, to the garbage with this. Oh, that could have landed so well. But nah, it had to be gay. Nope, can't say that. It had to be... oh, I don't know. It had to be dumb. But anyway, looking at this evil guy. He's got dark red eyes, which is fantastic. He's got a chip in his eye, sadly. Well, that's not too bad. Got his big belly that he sits on like a big foot. Really nice spikes on him. Oh, that tail that he has. He is a nice color. The dark gray and the black. Oh man, screams evil. Looking at his mouth here. Oh my god. They got a nice beak. And then the mouth. Then the, oh, the detail. Oh. Orgasmic detail. The horns look great. He looks very nice. Little chubby dragon. does have feet. Their little tiny feet. I'm pretty sure are meant to be glued onto him, but looks freaking awesome. That wing, oi oi oi. Funko knows how to make statues from video games and turn them into chibi designs. Little horn nostrils. Alright. Each individual scale is well done. Fantastic job, guys. Oh, I love that black and dark gray. Oh. If you guys find this figure, or statue, you could call it. We'll call it a statue. Fan-fucking-tastic. You guys are looking for Alduin? eBay's your best bet, or Amazon, or whatever online retailer you can find him at. But, if you guys enjoyed this evil, fiery video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Oh man. Fun. Anyway, talk to you guys again soon. Ta-ta for now.